Welcome to the Easy channel. Learn and enjoy.
Almost a head-on collision today, probably cell phone use. Luckily no consequences. It happened in South Carolina. The car ran through red and hit the truck. Not know afterward. They seem to be okay. It's happened San Diego, California.
Friends when they are wrong.
Yeah, I agree.
And acting crazy is not
It's
open
not
the
helping,
doors.
right?
And I was Bianca gonna feel that you reconcile.
The SUV makes an illegal turn and merges into traffic. It happened in Lubbock, Texas. It was a brutal crash. Going through a red light destroyed 3 cars. Looks like Grandma needs to get the keys. She's the driver of the red prize. It happened in Fresno, California. There was a power outage earlier. The white car did not see the stop sign or the light turned off. Afterwards, they drove down the street and met. It happened in Hobart, Indiana. This driver noticed that the tire was standing on the other lane and people were trying to go around it. He had plenty of time to kill, so I stopped. He raised his hand to keep the traffic in the 2 left lanes and removed the tire from the road. Everything lasted about 20 seconds. It happened in Toronto, Canada.
Damn. Damn.
The back of the white car ended up with the blue car. After that, it just ran away. A classic example of a hit and run collision. It happened in St. Louis, Missouri.
Motherfucker accident. I got it on camera. Yep, there he is right there. He just took off.
The pickup went through a red light, and then the car hit it back. He slipped sliding away because the road was wet. It happened in Idaho Falls, Idaho. One driver almost runs a red, and another runs a red. This is in Toronto, Canada. This person cuts in front of these drives. This was close. This is in Vancouver, Canada.